when you guys sign in, you'll see that browse examples is the first page, and we've put this here for some inspiration. Natalie, no, none of the examples are any traders. We don't share trader strategies. These all come from members of our teams who are running strategies, and those that perform well or perform poorly, or you can mix and match what you want. For example, if you like, for instance, trading with BTC, USD, you can bring only the strategies that involve that. Or if you're like John and you like MACDs, you can bring up all the example strategies that involve MACDs. You could also sort it out by return, so that would give you the highest return. Alex, good question. We're using, for backtesting, we're using 1 minute historical data. It's one of the limitations with any backtesting software out there. 1 minute is fairly detailed until you look at the data that we're using for simulated and live strategies, which is tick data, updated every second. So at the moment, backtesting is 1 minute historical data. And when you're going through these browse examples, you can have a look at the performance. So you could just click on view performance, and it'll bring up the performance, and you'll see all the strategy pages look the same. You can see where the trade is right now. You can also have a look at the chart. That's what's been happening. And if you like a strategy and you want to use it, or perhaps you want to backtest it for longer than 30 days, because all the strategies here, the performance is for the last 30 days. If you want to see performance for longer, just simply go use as a template. Once you use as a template, it'll bring it up in the wizard, and all it's going to ask you for is, all you're going to have to do is click next, and you can backtest this exact strategy. So from the examples page, you don't only have to take the 30 days performance, you could backtest the strategy for 90 days and see what the performance is. Then if you like it, you can go back, you can clone it, or you can go back to the examples page and use it as a template, and you can simulate it. So the examples page is there for inspiration. If you traders want to see what kind of strategies are running at the moment, what is possible, feel free to browse there to try out, to look, and so on.